Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Forex Today Dollar retreats after auction, gold rising amid fiscal impasse, focus on jobless claims. ntvforex.com news ID 89E99D 6 minutes ago by Yohai Elam. Here is what you need to know on Thursday, August 13. The US dollar is on the back foot after the large bond auction and as optimism prevails in markets despite the fiscal impasse in Washington. Sino-American tensions in a US-EU are eyed ahead of weekly jobless claims. Investors are pushing bond yields down once again after a record $38 billion auction. In turn, the pendulum is swinging against the greenback after it rose earlier in the week. Another factor weighing on the world's reserve currency is market optimism about achieving a vaccine. The upbeat mood is diminishing demand for the safe haven dollar. The S&P 500 index briefly topped the previous all-time high recorded in mid-February. Robust earnings from tech firms have underpinned the gains, in addition to hopes for a recovery. NBSP Gold is holding onto its recovery, trading around $1,930. It shed $200 earlier in the week and is now rising with other assets. See NBSP Gold Price Analysis. $1,907 is the last straw for the XAU-USD bulls, a confluence detector. At the same time, Democrats and Republicans remain far apart on the next fiscal stimulus package, as described by both sides. The longer the impasse continues, the more significant the damage to the world's largest economy. NBSP officials at the Federal Reserve have urged lawmakers to act and provide support. The list includes Mary Daly, Robert Kaplan, and most vocally, Eric Rosengren, president of the Boston branch of the Federal Reserve, who said this is an appropriate time to take strong fiscal actions. After inflation figures beat estimates in July, the focus shifts to weekly jobless claims, which are projected to remain around 1.1 million. NBSP jobless claims preview. If higher claims are evidence of an economic slowdown or lower a sign of an acceleration. The U.S. electoral campaign heats up after Democratic challenger Joe Biden made his first appearance with Senator Kamala Harris, his running mate. The highly regarded election forecast by 538 has been published and it shows Biden leading over President Donald Trump, albeit with a high level of uncertainty at this point. NBSP source 538. Sino-American tensions remain elevated ahead of a trade review by the world's largest economies. China aims to put America's sanctions on TikTok and WeChat on the table. Washington slapped tariffs Berlin and Paris, related to the long-running dispute around Airbus. NBSP AUD-USD is on the rise amid robust employment figures. Australia gained 114,700 jobs in July and the unemployment rate fell to 7.5%. NBSP NZD-USD is on the back foot after Young Ha, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's chief economist, said that his institution would like a weaker Kiwi. The nation reported 14 additional coronavirus cases, with Auckland, the largest city, remaining under lockdown. NBSP oil prices are holding on to high ground with WTI trading near $43. USD CAD is changing hands below 1.33. Cryptocurrencies have stabilized, with Bitcoin trading around $11,500. More NBSP traders are looking at the shiny thing and not the big picture. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.